Hi guys, this is Asen3 making another video to help you guys out. I just found this out on Google. You can make free ringtones for your iPhone. So first of all, you need an iPhone, and what you do is you go on your iTunes. So I've already opened mine, and there it is. That's my iTunes, and I just want to choose any song. And let's say it's Air by Florida, Mail on Sunday. Just play the song. So that's the song, right? So let's say I don't want to do that one. Let's say I want to do Paralyzer by Finger 11. I decided that, okay? So now what you do is you go on Get Info. This thing pops up here where you see the mouse right there. Let me just zoom in. Alright, there's options right there. Okay, and here is the playtime that you have. You can change that into whatever time you want for your ringtone. So let's say you want like 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so that's a 10-second ringtone. I wouldn't suggest that. I would suggest maybe a 20-second ringtone. That's much better. So then after that you just click OK, and you go on that song, and what you do is you just click. Sorry about the movements. You just right click on there again and click create AAC version. When you click that, the second right underneath that, the second song will pop up, and it will say 20 seconds or 10 seconds, however long your ringtone was. So they're just clicking on it. So that's my ringtone. It's around 20 seconds long. That's my ringtone. Okay, now what I do is just go on, right click it again, and says on the third down it will say show in Windows Explorer, and this window will pop up. Let me zoom in to show you guys. Alright, so there it is. Okay, now you right click again and you go on rename. Okay, and since it says M4A at the end, just backspace that and change it to R and click enter, and it will say, and you just press yes, and then just drag it in to your iTunes and then ringtones. Alright, so I just dragged it in. There's my iTunes. So now what I do is just click on ringtones here, and you see I've done a couple. So here it is, Paralyzer by. So there you go. There's my ringtone. Now I just need to connect my iPhone. Go Obama. Alright. Sorry about the McCain fans. Alright. And there it is. There's my iPhone, and it loads up all the pictures and all that on my computer here. And so just need to exit out of that, and just go ahead and exit out of this too. What you need to do is just go on ringtones. The ringtone you just made, just drag it into your phone, and it will say Zinc in process on mine, and there it is. Okay, so now I need to go into, sorry, that's advanced checkers, don't need to go in that. Now I just need to go to my settings, Alright, go to sounds and go on my ringtone section, and then custom. It says 4 ringtones I've made already. So here's Paralyzer. Here's Superstar by Lou.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar.
Here's So What by Crazy. So there it is, and good luck to you guys making it. It's pretty easy. Doesn't take that much time. Very easy. If you have any questions, just contact me.